Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at object pronoun, a guide for beginners. So let's dive in. What is an object pronoun? An object pronoun is a pronoun used in place of a noun or noun phrase to receive an action. Object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, them, and us. Object pronouns are usually used after verbs at the end of sentences. The best way to identify object pronouns is that you need to make sure that they receive the actions or they're in objective case or they're objects of preposition. What is the definition of object pronoun? How to identify object pronouns? How do object pronouns receive actions? What is an objective case? What is an object preposition? Are the questions discussed in the video? This video covers object pronoun meaning and definition, object pronoun examples, how to identify object pronouns, object pronouns list, object pronoun sentences, object pronoun exercises, and frequently asked questions or facts object pronoun. Object pronoun meaning and definition. What does an object pronoun mean? The word object in the phrase object pronoun means some noun or pronoun governed by an active transitive verb or by a preposition. On the other hand, pronoun means something that replaces a noun. Thus, an object pronoun means something that replaces a noun and becomes an object of an active transitive verb or a preposition. What is the definition of an object pronoun? An object pronoun can be defined as a pronoun used in place of a noun or noun phrase as the object of an active transitive verb or preposition. In order to avoid repeating the same noun or noun phrase. Now, we can make the following statements which define object pronoun in points. An object pronoun is a pronoun. An object pronoun replaces a noun or noun phrase. An object pronoun becomes the object of a verb or preposition. An object pronoun is used to avoid repeating the same noun or noun phrase. Now, let's examine the above mentioned statements we made to define object pronoun and comprehend it with the help of example sentences. Number 1, an object pronoun is a pronoun. The fact that an object pronoun is a pronoun means that the object pronoun is used in place of a noun to refer to that previously mentioned noun. For example, I told John to write the assignment and forbade him to go out. Explanation. In the example above, John is a noun in objective case. To refer to that previously mentioned noun, John, we use the object pronoun him. That is, this him is no one else but John. Number 2, an object pronoun replaces a noun or noun phrase. Replacing an objective noun or noun phrase. Simply put, an object pronoun is used in place of an object noun. That is, there is a noun or noun phrase in objective case which will be replaced by the object pronoun. For example, the teacher asked the students to remain in the class and order them not to make a noise. Explanation. In the example above, the students is a noun phrase. Them is the object pronoun which replaces the noun phrase, which is in objective case. Number 3, an objective pronoun becomes the object of a verb or preposition. An active transitive verb, which is a transitive verb used in an active voice sentence, requires an object, and the object pronoun is used as the object of this verb. An object pronoun is also used as the object of a preposition. For example, John told me about him. John told me about him. Explanation. In the example, object pronoun me is used as the object of an active transitive verb, whereas the object pronoun him is used as the object of a preposition. Number 4, an object pronoun is used to avoid repeating the same noun. Repeating the same noun sounds awkward, whereas replacing an objective noun with an objective pronoun makes you sound natural. Therefore, we use an object pronoun in place of an object noun to avoid the repetition. For example, he told his son to read and asked him to remain in the room. He told his son to read and asked him to remain in the room. Explanation. In the example, his son is a noun phrase which is replaced by the object pronoun him for the sake of avoiding repeating the same noun phrase, his son. How to identify object pronouns? Identifying an object pronoun can be easy if you approach it with correct ways. There are several ways to identify object pronouns. Here are the ways you can use to identify an object pronoun. Number 1, an object pronoun is in objective case. The personal pronouns which are used as object pronouns have different forms except for it. You can easily identify personal object pronouns by just looking at their forms. The object pronouns are in objective case. For example, John told me, you, him, her, it, them, us. Number 2, an object pronoun receives an action. Object pronouns used after transitive verbs in active voice tense receive their actions. That is, object pronouns are acted upon. Thus, identifying what an object pronoun does is another way of identifying object pronouns. For example, John beats me. You, him, her, it, them, us. Number 3, an object pronoun is understood. There are pronouns such relative object pronouns and interrogative object pronouns which are used after prepositions and become objects of prepositions. Such object pronouns are understood that they are object pronouns. For example, it is the exact time after which we went to the class yesterday, which is relative pronoun. Object pronoun list. Me, you, him, her, it, them, what, us, whom, which, that. Object pronoun exercises. Question 1. Tick mark the following correct statements about object pronoun. A. Object pronoun only becomes an object of a preposition. B. An object pronoun is used in place of a noun only. C. An object pronoun is used to refer to a noun or noun phrase. D. An object pronoun replaces a noun or noun phrase. Question 2. Identify the object pronouns in the following examples. A. I told him about the incident. B. She learned it from books. C. Are you happy with him? Facts or frequently asked questions. Object pronoun. What is an object pronoun? What is an object pronoun? An object pronoun is a pronoun used in place of a noun or noun phrase to receive an action. Object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, them, and us. Object pronouns are usually used after verbs at the end of sentences. The best way to identify object pronouns is that you need to make sure that they receive the actions or they're in objective case or they're object of preposition. What are the 10 examples of objective pronoun? A. John told me about it. John told me about it. B. Sheila asked him to go. B. Sheila asked him to go. C. The teacher ordered them to be silent. The teacher ordered them to be silent. D. Why did he beat her? Why did he beat her? E. One student told us. One student told us. F. John hit it. John hit it. So this video ends here about object pronoun, a guide for beginners. Thanks for watching.